in Antiquinho Part 2. In Antiquinho, we don't say, good shorts, huh? Instead, we say, kanami, takmong puroy ba? In Antiquinho, we don't say, hey, how you doing? Instead, we say, ti, paiwan ang panubigan, ura panalupok. In Antiquinho, we don't say, you have a cute lips. Instead, we say, kanami, tanak mong ibok ba no? In Antiquinho, we don't say, it's him. Instead, tanagid ra. Tanagid. In Antiquinho, we don't say, hey, where are you going? Instead, we say, diyan raman kaum larga. In Antiquinho, we don't say, oh, it's huge. Instead, we say, apo, palbagal taran ba? In Antiquinho, we don't say, it's so heavy. Instead, we say, apo, kabagat naman take ba? In Antiquinho, we don't say, you are so noisy. Instead, we say, apo, syado, matakagaling man. In Antiquinho, we don't say, it was long time ago. Instead, we say, buhay renta na to. In Antiquinho, we don't say, can I borrow your jacket? Instead, we say, para mata ka mong samrangan di.